Alright, we back with another taste test video. Hey, listen. Listen. This guy right here, who I'm about to taste, this man, I've been seeing this man doing his thing. Listen, when I say doing this, he doing his thing. If you need a personal vegan chef, hit Mall Eats 954, man. Yeah, that's where we at. That's who we just put up on. Mall Eats 954. We about to go ahead and try his food. I think he have prepared for me candy yams, collard greens, and vegan shrimp. Now y'all know I'm allergic to seafood, like real seafood. So it's gonna be an interesting experience to try this vegan shrimp. So listen, hit Mall Eats 954. You putting on from Broward County. Listen, I'm from Broward County, Deerfield to be exact. So I get excited when somebody from the county doing their thing. So I had to pull up on them, man. Mall Eats 954. We're gonna try them out, give y'all a honest review. Let's do it. And listen, man, at DK Givens merch, man. Listen, I got new stuff coming out too. So look, the bags in the back seat, man. Listen, that DK merch coming. So listen, stay tuned for that. Let's get back to it. Alright, here he is, Mall Eats 954 with the plate.
Mall Eats 954 vegan plant-based meal. My brother here is eating healthy. He's allergic to the cashews, so we did the double collard greens there. We got no flesh.
Hold on, I'm gonna open it up for the people. Hold on, I'm gonna open it up. I want them to actually see what we got going on here. So here it is, right here.
We got the double collard greens with the soul food flavor.
Okay.
Candy yams and the soy-free firecracker shrimp.
Okay, listen, man, y'all already know I'm about to bust down. I'm gonna give y'all an honest review. Stay tuned. Let's get it.
Appreciate you, my brother.
Let's can't be switching up like I'm Ray Lewis. For the young cause watching, I'm rocking my jewelry. Turn it into franchises as you're maturing. Johnny Dang seen a lot of change. Substituted for them days I miss my father's face. Wake up, wake up. All these politicians need their face cut. Beefing with niggas you went to school with. Easter Sunday at church, prayed in the pulpit. I'm rocking rollers with homies I made some moves with. A bomb for the road.
Mall Eats 954. Let me go ahead and give it a try. I got double collard greens, candy yam, and that firecracker shrimp. Like I told y'all, I'm allergic to shrimp, so it's gonna be an experience to go ahead and see what it's tasting like. So I'm gonna start with collard greens today. Man, listen, them things seasoned to perfection. I can already tell. Let me go ahead and try this. Oh, yo. This is Thanksgiving collard green right here. I had a kick to him too, boy. I feel you. Damn. Eat, boy. Woo. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and try these candy yam. Oh yeah, they sweet. These are good, boy. Now, let me go ahead and try the firecracker shrimp. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, these good, man. These definitely good. Way better than I expected. Man, listen, y'all hit Mall Eats 954 up, get y'all a plate, order y'all a meal plan. Hey, listen, we do personal chefs too. He'll come right to your kitchen and cook it for you. So listen, hit Mall Eats 954 up on Instagram right now. Man, listen, I told you I want to plan. It been gone. That thing was too good. Boy, that thing was too good, man. Listen, y'all hit that bed up, please. Hey, I'm coming back. That thing was busting, man. Them firecracker shrimp, I don't know what it was, but them thing hitting, my boy.
Got it up before, been jumped off the porch since 14.